as a former chief of the Philippine National Police, I have not encountered an operation to implement a warrant of arrest wherein we deployed forces close to 2,000 people. To compare, the PNP also implemented a warrant of arrest against Zulkifli here, also known as Marwan. Marwan was listed among America's most wanted terrorists with $5 million bounty on his alleged involvement in a series of deadly bomb attacks in the Philippines. In the enforcement of the warrant against Marwan, the PNP only deployed 44 members of Special Action Force and more than 200 police officers as backup. Allow me to do the math. Less than 300 police officers to enforce a warrant against Marwan, who was then protected by more than 1,000 heavily armed Bangsamoro Islamic Federal Fighters and private armed groups around the so-called SPMS box, which includes Mama Sapano, versus 2,000 to arrest Pastor Kibuloy. These almost 300 police officers deployed to arrest an international terrorist constitute less than 15% of the deployed police force to arrest Pastor Kibuloy. Kaya ang tanong ng mga miyembro ng KOJC, mas mapanganib ba si Pastor Kibuloy kaysa isang most wanted terrorist? Mas mapanganib ba ang Davao City compared doon sa Mama Sapano na napakaraming umiikot ng mga armadong tao? Mr. President, wala na po sanang naging kaguluhan kung naging mahinahon lamang ang pagsisilbi ng warrant. Kung ang objective ay arestuhin o dakpin si Pastor Kibuloy, maaari naman po na maisagawa ito ng mapayapa. Minsan po, kahit gaano kalinis ang hangarin, kung ang pamamaraan naman na ginamit para makamit ito ay marahas, nagiging mali po ito at hindi katanggap-tanggap.